Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. This is Ravi Coach. Today we are going to talk about because I always explaining for the every stroke there are the about the grip and all this. Today I am going to talk about only for the grip in this video, so you can understand that how we can hold. So first I want to tell about the how many types of grip. So there are 4 types of grip we can say. One is the continental, one is the eastern forehand grip, the semi-western and western. So now you understand there is a 4 type of grip. First we are going to talk about the how to hold the continental grip. Okay, so first I want to show you. You can see I have the mark here, is the 1 point here, 1 point here. So this is the just behind my gender knuckle, this one, and this is the bottom line in my palm left side. Okay, that one is the this one. And then I have the racket, the grip. You can see here is the, you can see that one 8 angles are here, 8 cones are here. So in the top one I am holding the one, and the second one is the 2, and this part is the flat part is the 3. The same thing if anybody hold in the back in the left hand. So this is 1 is going to stay same, and then this is the 2 and this is 3. So this shape is like octagon. Okay, and the upper part is the 1, this side is the 2, and this side is the 3. Same like the in the back, the left hander if they want to hold. So this is the 1, and this side is 2, and this side is 3. So this is the easiest one to understand. So here is my point, the upper part and lower part. So lower part, this point, if I keep in the like one down here, and the upper part behind my gender knuckle is going to 2, and then this is the continental grip. It's a simple. Okay, so this one we call the hammer grip also, and we can call the universal grip also. There are so many names. So 30-40 years before, people are hitting the forehand, backhand, volley, slice, service, everything with this grip. But nowadays, after the Bjorn Borg, the things change. Okay, so next I'm going to show the forehand grip, the eastern forehand. Okay, so for that if I want to keep my racket like this, so easy to understand. If I'm keeping my racket down like this, and then my palm is coming here, and I'm going to hold this one. And now you can see this part is the almost 2, and this part is coming to 3. So 2 and upper part is 3. So this is the eastern forehand grip. Okay, sometimes people are holding the 3, and 3 also is the eastern, so they can get the very nice spin. So that one is the eastern forehand. Okay, but sometimes people are doing the like few players are hitting too much spin, so they are going for the semi-western. So semi-western we are going to put 3, and this one is the 4, upper part is 4. So this is the semi-western, and if you are going for the 4.5 or 5, then this is the western grip we are doing. There are few players are playing with this, like Bjorn Borg and all this. Few modern players are also playing, but I don't recommend this one because there are a lot of disadvantages for this. But you can hit the ball more nice spin. To keeping the ball is okay, but it's not going to help in the longer period. Okay, so that is the grip. And the same thing in the backhand, we can hold 1 and 2 is the continental, and then 2 and 3 is the eastern, and then 3 and 4 is the semi-western in the left hand. But in the double hand grip, little bit tricky. It's tricky, but it's not that tricky. So you can see if I will hold 2 and 2, and then this palm left arm is going to support here. This is the double hand grip. But sometimes people are holding the continental and they are holding here, so they can get the nice spin and good in the service return. It is going to help. So this is a small video for only for the grip. How many types of grip? How can we hold the grip? What is the name of the different grip? Just I wanted to say in a small video. So next time when I will talk about the slice continental grip, so you can understand I'm going to hold 1 and 2 For the service also continental 1 and 2. For the slice also continental 1 and 2. The mostly in the forehand, eastern forehand is here, and then backhand. But one more grip is left because of the single hand backhand, little bit different, that we hold a 1, and this one also in the single hand backhand, lower part is 1 and upper part also is 1, and then you can get a very good, very nice compact stroke. Okay, so this is the single hand backhand, little bit different, but you can use according to, because I'm talking about the in the beginning time when anybody come to play tennis, so they can use this thing. Then after that you have to adjust your grip, little bit changing, you know, because in the starting time, so kids can understand the grip very nicely. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and next I'm going to do the another video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and keep watching.